the massive renovation of both buildings. I mean, it's pretty much we're gutting them down to the concrete shell and putting everything in brand new. So that's new water service, electric service, gas service, all new heat, electrical, conduit, transformers, panels, paint, pouring new concrete floors, epoxying the floors, framing in offices, break rooms, bathrooms. So everything that's in the buildings that you see, floors, walls, and ceilings are brand new. Our goal is to have both buildings fully renovated inside and out. So it's only 173 miles from Midtown Manhattan, so that's far away, but it's still close enough where we can operate and be within 3 to 4 hour drive away from at any given time. You have different hotel franchises that have signatory features to the hotels that when you walk in, that this is the Ritz-Carlton or the Graduate or the Ace Hotel. Those are all projects that we're currently working on. It's a pretty diverse areas of millwork that we're doing between the guest rooms, the public space. We're also doing a country club in Long Island, Equinox headquarters in New York, which is office spaces. So we're diversified in terms of the different areas of millwork and hotels that we're doing, but then also outside of hotels with those projects as well. We had an opportunity to relocate the millwork shop and keep all of our warehousing in the metropolitan area of New York and relocate the millwork shop to Amsterdam, New York, and that worked out very well. It was 4 times the amount of space that we operated in downstate, and so we were able to grow that side of the company. So then after that, we had an opportunity to buy a building in New York, and we decided at that point we were going to relocate all of our business to one building in Amsterdam, which was approximately 330,000 square feet, almost triple what the spaces that we leased out in downstate. So it brought our overhead way down, and our total opportunity for growth grew.